The SCADA market in 2026 is splitting in two. And if you pick from the wrong half, you will be paying for it for a decade. Here is the honest state of cloud SCADA this year. First, understand the split. Legacy platforms that added a cloud option versus platforms born in the cloud. They look similar in the demo. They are not similar to own. The legacy giants, Aviva, FactoryTalk, WinCC, are deep, proven, and everywhere. But their cloud offerings still carry the old DNA, complex licensing, integrator dependencies, and upgrade cycles. Ignition deserves its reputation, unlimited tags, honest licensing, but it is still software you install, host, and maintain yourself. Powerful if you have the team for it. True cloud-native platforms work differently. Your RTUs and PLCs stream data straight to the platform, and dashboards, alarming, historian, and reports are simply there. No servers, no builds. What should you actually score? Deployment speed first, days versus months, is the single biggest cost difference. Then, protocol support. Modbus and MQTT at minimum. OPC UA if you have plant equipment. If a vendor charges extra per driver, walk. Then alarm delivery. SMS and voice with escalation chains, measured in seconds. An alarm that lands in an unread email is not an alarm. And finally, total cost of ownership, not the year one quote. Ask every vendor for the 5-year number with support, upgrades, and expansion included. Watch some of them squirm. For multi-site oil and gas operations specifically, Merobix tops our ranking. Cloud-native, per-site pricing, sub-30-second alarms, and live dashboards within the first week. The full top list with pricing detail is on the Merobix blog. Link below. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.